Hey guys, this is Manish Sethi. I'm walking down a pretty frightening alleyway right now to get away from the noise. And I'm excited. I wanted to give you a quick update on some of the new Pavlok 2 stuff. This is going to be an Indiegogo update and a small update for DNA users as well. So here's the key. Pavlok 2 is starting to really get very close. We're going to start allowing users to receive their Pavloks in the upcoming weeks. Pavlok 2 right now is, the hardware is completed, everything's completed. The firmware is basically really close. The firmware is the hardest part that we've had, but we have fixed all of the over-the-air firmware update issues. So that's going to allow you to, even if we send a product that might have a couple bugs in it, you'll be able to fix it using the firmware over-the-air update. Now, you're going to have the option of receiving it, one of the early ones that, you'll need to update it a few times, or you can opt to just wait and get it when the firmware is completed. But that said, right now I'm pretty excited to announce something that I have been working on for years, and that is volts. Now, volts is a cryptocurrency. It will be, at least. Volts is a point system where you earn volts for doing healthy, positive daily actions. And those daily, as we built Pavlok 1 and the shot clock, we realized that Pavlok was extremely effective at helping people helping people break bad habits. But but to form good habits, we needed to have positive reinforcement. So we came up with the idea of volts, a point-based system which you would earn by doing healthy habits. And we actually started implementing it into the app in basically 2014. So anybody who's been a Pavlok user has been earning these volts for a while. And I always knew that the secret would be to launch them as a cryptocurrency, something like Bitcoin. So you could actually earn real money by doing healthy habits, with my end goal being that anybody who could walk 10,000 steps could easily afford to buy a healthy meal, and that anybody who hits their daily goals each year could earn enough to earn the median American salary. Now, I can't guarantee those numbers whatsoever. All I know is that we've created a point-based system called Volts, that next year will be a cryptocurrency, and that because you're an early backer, you already have access to it. So right now, I'm going to give you a little demo of the Volts ecosystem. The Volts ecosystem is our new app-based platform. It's something like the Apple Store, like the App Store or the Google Play Store, but directly within the Pavlok app and directly related to behavior change, healthy habits, courses, and of course, utilizing the haptic feedback of the Pavlok device. So right now I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Pavlok ecosystem. So here you see the Pavlok Core app. And the Pavlok Core app is a list of modules that you can use to unlock new behaviors, new habits, and earn volts. So here, for example, is sleep tracking. Sleep tracking is a module where it tracks your sleep as you go to bed. This is directly on the Pavlok device. You're able to, of course, pair your app to your phone. Then we have things like the intro course and multiple other courses where you can learn how to change specific habits and habits as a whole. And then we have the volts screen. So this is your volts screen. This is how many volts you've earned today and your volts that you've earned overall. We have tasks like, for example, well, first of all, I'm at level 4, so you can see that's cool. Almost level 5. And here are different tasks that you can do each day to earn more volts. Now here is some modules that you might be interested in purchasing. And over here you can see the volts feed. So the volts feed is a list of what everyone has done throughout the entire app. Now you can be anonymous or show your face if you'd like, but this is essentially a blockchain. And in your own side you can see everything that you've done over time. So this is like a blockchain ledger. Now, you've seen that this is like the blockchain wallet. Now over here is how you can spend volts. You can spend volts by clicking on this button where we enable the module store. You can do things like setting up a light sleep alarm. The light sleep alarm will wake you up in your lightest stage of sleep. Or the jumping jacks alarm, which will only work if you do jumping jacks. And then we have a couple other sections like the Explore section where you can see very cool information and read articles and comment on things specific to your habit. The feed you've already seen, and then you can chat with our habit coaches at any time. And so what I wanted to show you over here is that right now for the year 2017, all of these modules have been made by the Pavlok team.
But starting in 2018, we'll be opening up our developer platform. And by opening the developer platform, that means new people will be able to release their own modules. They'll be able to release their own courses, and you'll be able to unlock those courses by hitting your healthy daily goals. The marketplace works pretty cool. It works pretty seamlessly. You'll be able to earn these modules by doing your good behaviors, but if you want to unlock, a very expensive course, or you really want to get ahead, you'll be, or you have extra volts because you've been extremely healthy for a while, you are able to sell those volts on the marketplace and allow other people to use your volts. So that's kind of how the ecosystem works. Over time, we're really excited to enable this ecosystem outside of the Pavlok app.
Well, I'm super excited that you guys got to check out that video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please do put some messages in the comments and let me know what you think. And you can get started by signing in at pavlok.com/volts. All of the wallets have not been fully synced right now, so you'll probably be getting more. Actually, you certainly will. But you can get started over there, check it out, and we'll be shipping out this app in the next few weeks, as well as the device. So stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for being part of the ecosystem. I love you, and I'm serious. Ciao.